We chose Bloomin' Easy plants because when we went to the garden center, seeing the tag and kind of some instructions on how to grow it was comforting to us, just because we're not regular gardeners. The care tips is also kind of unique. None of the other plants had that. Tagline said everything was kind of easy, so we want easy because we're busy people. We hope they're just kind of low maintenance from here on out, and so far so good. So we chose Thunderbolt just because we wanted to kind of profile the entrance to the front door. And it's actually the plant that when people come over, they comment on this one saying like, ooh, that one's kind of fun, that one's neat. And
they're not perfect either. That's what I kind of wanted. I wanted it to look a little more authentic and real, which is kind of what we are.
We liked Kimono because I think the foliage is really interesting. The way the flower was white and red kind of caught our eye. As it's aged, it's kind of gone more reddy pink. That's what stood out about this one.
We chose the candelabra hydrangea just because of its unique shape. When it first bloomed, it was very bright white and lime green, so it just felt really fresh, really modern. It actually will turn a little bit more pinky, as you can see there, as the summer goes on. I think it's great through all seasons.
Planting this was really fun.
It's been just neat to watch our work grow and to feel proud of what we've accomplished.